Hello viewers, you're welcome back to my channel. In this video I shall be showing you how to arrive at face mask. Now I have two pieces of fabric here of the same length and the same width. To start with, I'm going to measure the length. What I have here, I have 12 inches for the length. Then for the width, I have 8 inches for the width. Now I'm going to fold the two into two equal parts this way, and I'm going to measure from there. I'm going to measure to this place 2 inches, 2.5 inches, sorry. I will be measuring 2.5 inches and I will notch. So I notch to give me the point. Now after this, right from this particular point which I've stopped, I'm going to measure 2 inches, 2 inches, and I will also notch. Now what I did here is exactly how I'm going to measure the base. That is from here 2 inches. I will mark or notch just to give you the point. Then from that point, I will measure 2 inches. So after that, I'm going to notch here, which is the center point. I will notch both here and the base. Now, lest I forget, this face mask is going to be a pleated one. It's a pleated face mask. So, having opened it, now I'm going to use my pin to hold it because I'm going to pleat it. So from this notch point, I will pleat. I have to remove one of these. Okay. Now I will make sure that this point matches up with this point here. That is the center point. If you remember, the center point which I have here. So I'm going to connect this point by folding it, and I will use my pin to hold it like that. The same thing is what I'm going to do to the base. So that's exactly what I'm going to do all around. Then the right hand side is what I'm going to do. What I've just done to the left hand side is what I'm also do to the right hand side, as you can see here. So having through with this, now the next thing is to pick it from the other point and fold it again this way. So what I've just done here, it's exactly what I shall be doing to the second piece of this fabric. Now this is the pleating. This is the pleating. The next thing for me now is to take my elastic, and the length of this elastic is let me measure it so that you see, is 16 inches. 16 inches. Now I'm going to cut it into two equal parts. I will cut it into two equal parts. So it means each of these gives me 8 inches. So I'm going to place it almost the end of the edge here. And I will seal. So I'm going to sew it. So let me quickly fix my now. I fixed this one. This is the second one. I'm going to place it exactly where I placed. Now tracing the line, place it, and I will seal. We also place this way. At almost the edge here. And I will seal. Now I fix the elastic on both edges. The next thing for me is to place this one to overlap it on each other this way, and I will make sure that this one goes in like this. I'll place it, making sure that it's of the same length. So I will start my sewing from here before the middle point. So somewhere here I will sew it round to this side like that. Then I will stop somewhere here, so that by the time I turn, so that I can have a space to turn it out. Now we have come to the end of almost the end of this face mask. Now I'm going to turn it out from this place I left. I will bring it out, then I later close it up. That's why I say we have almost come to the end. So we have just close it up here. That's all. Thank you for watching this video. If you like, you subscribe to my channel for new design and some other thing on fashion. You can share and like this video. Bye.